In the world of trading, getting the latest financial news is one hell of a competitive advantage. We're serious. Getting that speed alpha advantage is an asset people pay good money for. But truth be told, manually having to check online for the latest news is exhausting. And if you're managing a Telegram channel with multiple members waiting on you to send the latest financial news for their trade, then the pressure is through the roof. So imagine our relief when we found this awesome automation that finds the latest financial news for any industry of your choice and sends it straight to our Telegram channel. In today's video, we're going to show you, step by step, how you can build this automation for yourself and your Telegram channel. For this tutorial, we're going to build our automation using a couple of tools. We'll be using Make, Airtable, PostPulse, and Finlight. So we're going to start our automation by setting up an Airtable trigger. And we're doing this because we're picking certain industries and topics for our Telegram channel. And depending on what day of the week, we want to be able to change our industries and topics manually from the comfort of a spreadsheet and still have our automation run as planned. We do not want to have to hop into this automation every day just to pick a different industry and topic for our channel. All we're doing here is selecting our base and our table. And we're selecting our trigger field and our label field. Once we're done, we're going to run our module and make sure we're getting the latest record in our Airtable base. Everything's looking good. Let's move on to our next step. For our next step, we're going to add the Finlight module. So Finlight is this cool financial news API, and it sources real-time financial news from multiple sources and lays it all at your feet. We're going to pick our query, which we'll source from our Airtable base. And we're going to add some financial news sources we want to pull our data from. And when we're done, we'll add some last-minute configurations and run our scenario to check out our results. Right. So our output is turning up empty. And that's because we got our source URLs wrong. Let's head back to our module and redo this all over again. All right, so this time our module is returning some results to our query. Let's move on to the next step. For our next step, we're going to add the PostPulse module. And this is where we're going to schedule our Finlight output to go out to our Telegram channel. Now, because we want this to go out every day, we're going to use the add days formula for our scheduling date. This will add an extra day to our scheduled date every time we run the automation, scheduling our financial news to go out to our Telegram channel for the rest of the week. Next, we'll pick our preferred social media channel, which is Telegram, and we'll choose our Telegram channel. Now, for PostPulse to work with Telegram, it needs to have access to your Telegram channel. To do that, all you'll need to do is head over to Telegram and add the PostPulse bot to the Telegram channel of your choice, and that'll grant it access to your Telegram channel. Once you've done that, all that's left to do is map out our content and run our automation one more time. So to recap, we're using Airtable to trigger our workflow every time we add an industry or a topic for the week. We're using Finlight to get as many financial news as possible, and we're using PostPulse to schedule our output to go out to our Telegram channel. Our automation has been successful. If we hopped over to our PostPulse dashboard, we'll be able to see our scheduled posts waiting to go out tomorrow in Telegram. And we'll even be able to preview the post and get a better idea of what our post would look like. That's the end of our video, and thanks for watching. If you're interested in automations like these, drop a like, a follow, and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in getting this automation, comment financial news, and we'll send over this automation as a template. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.